Hello everyone, welcome to our brand new channel. We are Mama's Pantry. We are here to shop for people who reside abroad or are even here in Nigeria and are desirous of getting indigenous foodstuff. Our location is in Kogi State, and as many of us know, Lokoja, the capital of Kogi State, happens to be where the river Niger meets the river Benue. So you won't be surprised why you are seeing fishes in this video. This is the international market in Lokoja, where sellers from different parts of the state come to market their goods. This very section is for catfish and other fishes. As you can see, we had gone to source for a customer's order in this video. So if you are a lover of catfish, try our premium quality dried catfish. Perfect for snacking and adding to your favorite dishes. Order now and enjoy the authentic taste anytime, anywhere. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. We would love to hear from our viewers as we are looking for ways to improve our content. Thanks for watching, and bye.